doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties. I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. You know how we're in the middle of building our own Barbie Dreamhouse. I still need to add a closet. I'm debating if I'm gonna build a bathroom, and I want a larger outside area. And a slide. We need a slide for the pool. But this house is very pink, and I am loving it. Inspired by the upcoming film, Barbie the movie. Hi, Barbie. But we're gonna take a quick break because I just picked up the new Barbie Dreamhouse from Target with a retail price of $199.99. And that buy two get one free sale going on right now doesn't include this. It's right here in the fine print. Once assembled, it is 5 feet wide and 3.5 feet tall. Adult assembly required. And we will need 3 AA batteries, which are not included. I need to find one more. The kitchen is blue. I wish it were pink. I know. This is a completely different Toya here. Normally, I shy away from pink, but I have embraced it. I have accepted it, and now I love it. We have instructions, stickers, and fabrics. Printed sequins bedding? I see what you're doing here. In the trailer for Barbie the movie, her bedding looks like that, only it's real sequins. Like this. Because do I plan on making that bed? Yes, I do. But not today. We need to focus and build this house. Step 1, add batteries, turn it on, open the oven to make sure it works. Oh, check that out. It makes sounds. Then put together the base, grab the walls, add the stickers. Why doesn't the tile just go all the way across? You know what? We're just gonna put this together the way it was intended. I always pull my dream houses apart and take all the pieces until there is just a skeleton house. So we're gonna do our best to keep this one stock. But the bed is molded to the floor and it's less than an inch high. Nope, we're not gonna complain. We're just gonna put it together. I mean, at least they have a bathroom and a closet. Add the next floor. That gives us a green ceiling. And here is the last wall. We have a large TV with the word Barbie above it. Then there's a little sculpted shelving unit here. I'm trying to create a shadow so you can see it. There's stickers on the back, and this piece folds down for a bed. And it looks like it's a full-size bed. And there's a little sculpted image of a canopy on the back wall. Can you see that? With some cutouts. Add the elevator. Make sure you remove the tape. You have been warned. Add the ceiling and test out the elevator. It works. The back of the elevator can open and there's a ramp right here. There's a small doggy door and a place for a pet to sit. And the dolls can enter and exit from this side as well. And we can push the button on the side to raise and lower the elevator. Assemble the palm tree. It is open on the back and it goes right here. Add a string of lanterns and there's a little doghouse that we can place right here. Add a dolphin rail. Oops, I forgot to add the stairs. There we go. This looks like a wall divider between the bathroom and the closet. Let's add the toilet. It's white and blue, and it goes right here. And when we push the button on the top, it flushes. Add the shower door. It's on a hinge and can move back and forth. Put together the pieces for the slide that goes from the top floor all the way down to the bottom, and it goes into the house. I know I said I was going to put this together according to the instructions the way it's supposed to be, but I'm removing the slide. But the pool is really cute. I love the shape and the Barbie logo. I'm sure we can use this later. Oh, and there is another bed that we can lay on top of the sculpted one and make it a tiny bit higher. We can also place it next to it and have two beds in the room. There's a fireplace with another screen. It looks like they're playing video games. There's a scene on the other side. We can place it wherever we like. On the box, they have it right here. Add a plant to the vase right next to it. There's a little blue chair that we can place in this space. It's really low to the ground. And there is a pink sofa that we can add as well. And a coffee table with popcorn. I do wish that the floors were filled in. That way we can go all the way across this space, giving us a little more room to position the furniture. Wow, that's like super pink. It's like glowing. I'm going to remove this, and can I just put the couch over here? Like that, I guess? Yeah, we'll try that. We might just have to make some floors later. There's a white counter for the kitchen, a pink bar stool. We have some dishes, 4 blue cups, a cupcake on a plate, pizza, muffins. The refrigerator can open so we can store items inside. We have orange juice, cake, 2 drinks, and a pitcher. There are 4 purple plates, a skillet, and a spatula. There is a sticker of an egg to go in the skillet, but I'm gonna leave mine off. There's a pot and a ladle. There are hooks in the kitchen for a few utensils. There's a gold-colored light fixture that attaches to the ceiling. Let's put together the table. It is 2 shades of pink and has 2 pink chairs. Ooh, I like the shape of these chairs. We can place a vase with flowers on the table. There are gray forks, knives, and spoons, so we can set the table. There's a dog and a pet bed, a bowl and a bone, a slide for the dog, drink floaties for the pool. Okay, that's kind of cute. There's a hanging chair that can attach to the ceiling. There are 3 gold hangers for the closet, a purple heart picture frame, a nightstand with a gold-colored lamp, a potted plant, 4 toothbrushes that we can place in a little cup by the sink. There's a small bottle of shampoo, a purple hairbrush, and a fun little hippo soap dispenser. Oh, and there are eggs. I almost forgot about those. There are 2 thin blankets that I think can double as beach towels, and there are 3 smaller towels. Oh, and a carton. I forgot that too. I like the layout of this house. The bathroom is a pretty nice size. I could have used a larger closet, but that's just me. The bedroom is a nice size. I would have liked to have seen the bed not attached to the floor. The top floor is pretty high, but I do like the palm tree. However, underneath the grass, I would have liked for the ceiling to match the rest of the house. The first floor gives us a nice sized kitchen, and that little eating area is pretty nice as well. I like the design of the chairs. However, I would have loved to have seen the gaps on the floor filled in. You know, this space right here. There's a lot of doggy play in this house with all the pet accessories and even a little doggy door. Will I keep this Barbie Dreamhouse together? Or will I slowly start to remove my favorite accessories? I guess you'll just have to watch and see. Let us know in the comments down below what you think about this Barbie Dreamhouse. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at this Barbie Dreamhouse. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.